In ancient Greek mythology, the River Styx separated the world of the living from the underworld. This river was not just a boundary, but a mystical passage that souls had to cross to reach their final destination. Charon, the ferryman, transported souls across this river. He was a somber figure, demanding a coin for passage, a ritual that underscored the gravity of the journey. This journey marked the passage into the afterlife, a transition from the known to the unknown, from life to death. For centuries, this tale remained the stuff of legends, a story passed down through generations, capturing the imagination of many. Now, modern science suggests there might be a real ferryman molecule in our brains, DMT. This discovery bridges the gap between ancient myth and contemporary science. This molecule could be responsible for the otherworldly experiences reported in near-death experiences, or NDEs. These experiences often include vivid visions and profound emotional responses. Could an ancient myth hold a kernel of truth, revealed through the lens of modern science? This question opens up a fascinating dialogue between the past and the present. The possibility is both intriguing and challenging. It invites us to reconsider what we know about the human mind and its capabilities. DMT, a powerful psychedelic compound, exists naturally in trace amounts in the human brain. Its presence hints at a deeper, perhaps more mystical function within our neural architecture. Its role remained largely a mystery until recently. Scientists have only begun to scratch the surface of its potential impact on human consciousness. Now, researchers are investigating whether DMT is released in significant quantities during death or near-death events. This research could unlock new understandings of the human experience at the edge of life. Could this release be the trigger for the vivid, often mystical experiences reported by NDE survivors? These experiences often include encounters with otherworldly beings and journeys through ethereal landscapes. The similarities between NDE accounts and DMT trips are striking. Both types of experiences challenge our understanding of reality and consciousness. Both involve feelings of leaving one's body, traveling through tunnels of light, encountering beings of light, and experiencing profound peace and understanding. These commonalities suggest a shared underlying mechanism. While these correlations are compelling, they are not conclusive. The scientific community remains divided, with ongoing debates and research. Scientists are conducting rigorous research to determine if DMT is indeed the key to unlocking the mysteries of consciousness and the afterlife. This research could revolutionize our understanding of the human mind. The pursuit of this knowledge takes us on a captivating journey. It is a quest that spans disciplines and challenges our deepest assumptions. We delve into the depths of neuroscience, pharmacology, and the human experience. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding the profound mysteries of life and death. Ancient myths and modern science converge, challenging our understanding of life, death, and what may lie beyond. This convergence invites us to explore the unknown with both curiosity and reverence. DMT, short for N-dimethyltryptamine, is a naturally occurring psychedelic compound. This fascinating molecule has captured the interest of scientists, researchers, and psychonauts alike due to its profound effects on human consciousness. It exists in trace amounts in humans and animals, suggesting it may play a role in our natural biochemistry, as well as various plant species. These plants have been used for centuries in traditional spiritual practices, particularly in South America. Often referred to as the spirit molecule, DMT is known for inducing intense, short-lasting hallucinogenic experiences. These experiences can be so profound that they often leave a lasting impact on the user. These experiences are often characterized by vivid visuals, profound emotional shifts, and a sense of transcendence. Users report seeing intricate geometric patterns, vibrant colors, and even otherworldly landscapes. The effects of DMT are unlike any other psychedelic. While substances like LSD and psilocybin offer long, drawn-out trips, DMT's journey is brief but incredibly intense. Users often describe journeys to otherworldly realms, encounters with strange beings, and profound mystical insights. These experiences can feel more real than reality itself, leading some to question the nature of existence. These experiences typically last for 5 to 15 minutes when smoked, but the depth and intensity make it feel much longer. Due to DMT's alteration of time perception. This time distortion is one of the most intriguing aspects of the DMT experience. The intensity and otherworldly nature of these experiences have led some to speculate that DMT might play a role in near-death experiences and spiritual awakening. This has sparked debates and discussions in both scientific and spiritual communities. DMT's presence in the human brain raises intriguing questions. Why does our brain produce this powerful psychedelic compound? While its exact function remains unknown, some researchers believe it may be involved in dreaming, creativity, and near-death experiences. The idea that DMT could be a natural part of our brain's toolkit is both fascinating and mysterious. The pineal gland, a small gland located deep within the brain, is thought to be a potential source of DMT production. This tiny gland has been the subject of much speculation and study. Interestingly, the pineal gland has been associated with spirituality and mysticism in various cultures for centuries. It is often referred to as the third eye and is believed to be a gateway to higher consciousness. Despite its powerful effects, DMT remains a Schedule I controlled substance in many countries, including the United States. This classification indicates that it is considered to have a high potential for abuse and no accepted medical use. This classification makes research on its potential therapeutic and spiritual benefits challenging. However, there is a growing movement advocating for the reclassification of DMT to facilitate more in-depth studies. However, growing interest in DMT's role in consciousness and end-of-life experiences is prompting further scientific investigation. Researchers are hopeful that future studies will unlock the mysteries of this enigmatic compound and its potential benefits for humanity. Near-death experiences, or NDEs, are profound, often life-altering events that occur in the face of imminent death. These experiences are surprisingly common, with an estimated 3% of the U.S. population reporting having had an NDE. While NDEs can be triggered by various circumstances, such as cardiac arrest, trauma, or near drowning, they share common characteristics. Typical NDE accounts include feelings of peace and tranquility, out-of-body experiences, traveling through a tunnel towards a bright light, encounters with deceased loved ones, and life reviews. Many individuals report returning from NDEs with a decreased fear of death, a renewed sense of purpose, and a heightened sense of spirituality. The scientific community remains divided on the explanation for NDEs. Some researchers attribute them to physiological changes in the brain during times of extreme stress or oxygen deprivation. Others propose that NDEs are evidence of consciousness existing independently of the physical body, suggesting a glimpse into an afterlife realm. Regardless of one's beliefs, NDEs offer a fascinating window into the nature of consciousness, death, and the mysteries of human experience. They challenge our understanding of what it means to be alive and what might await us beyond the veil of physical existence. The study of NDEs continues to intrigue scientists and philosophers alike, prompting further exploration into the enigmatic relationship between the mind, brain, and consciousness. Section 4. Imperial College London, Pioneering DMT Research. Imperial College London stands at the forefront of groundbreaking research into the effects of DMT on the human brain. This prestigious institution is renowned for its commitment to advancing scientific knowledge and exploring the frontiers of human consciousness. Led by Dr. Robin Carhart-Harris, the Psychedelic Research Group is conducting rigorous scientific studies to understand the neurological mechanisms underlying DMT's profound effects. Dr. Carhart-Harris and his team are dedicated to unraveling the mysteries of how this powerful psychedelic compound interacts with the brain. Their work is shedding light on the potential role of DMT in consciousness, dreaming, and near-death experiences. By examining brain scan images and analyzing EEG results, they are uncovering new insights into the altered states of consciousness induced by DMT. One of the group's key studies involved administering intravenous DMT to healthy volunteers in a controlled setting. This method ensures precise dosing and allows for detailed monitoring of the participants' physiological and psychological responses. Participants were closely monitored using electroencephalography, or EEG, which measures brainwave activity. This non-invasive technique provides real-time data on the brain's electrical activity, offering valuable insights into how DMT affects neural processes. The results revealed significant changes in brain activity during the DMT experience. These findings are crucial for understanding the profound alterations in perception and consciousness reported by DMT users. These changes included a decrease in alpha waves, which are associated with wakefulness, and an increase in delta and theta waves, which are characteristic of dreaming and deep meditation. Such shifts in brainwave patterns suggest that DMT induces a unique state of consciousness. These findings suggest that DMT alters consciousness by inducing a brain state similar to dreaming or near-death experiences. Volunteers often report vivid, dreamlike visions and profound emotional experiences during their DMT sessions. The research team at Imperial College London is continuing to investigate the potential therapeutic benefits of DMT, particularly in treating conditions such as depression, anxiety, and addiction. They are exploring how DMT's unique effects on the brain might be harnessed to provide relief for those suffering from these challenging mental health issues. The groundbreaking work at Imperial College London is providing valuable insights into the mysteries of the human brain and the nature of consciousness. By studying the intricate details of brain activity and its correlation with subjective experiences, they are paving the way for new therapeutic approaches. By meticulously studying the effects of DMT, these researchers are pushing the boundaries of scientific understanding and challenging long-held assumptions about the mind, brain, and the potential for expanded states of awareness. Their pioneering efforts are opening new doors to the exploration of human consciousness and its vast, uncharted territories. Section 5. DMT and NDEs, Striking Similarities. The parallels between DMT experiences and near-death experiences are striking. Both phenomena share a common thread of mystical and otherworldly encounters, suggesting a possible link between the two. Individuals who have undergone both DMT trips and near-death experiences often report remarkable similarities in their experiences. One of the most common shared elements is the sensation of leaving one's physical body and entering another realm. This out-of-body experience is often accompanied by a feeling of weightlessness and freedom from physical limitations. Another striking similarity lies in the reports of encountering beings of light or deceased loved ones. These entities are often described as benevolent and comforting, offering guidance and reassurance. Furthermore, both DMT experiences and NDEs frequently involve journeys through tunnels or vortexes of light. These tunnels are often described as vibrant and colorful, leading towards an even brighter light that emanates feelings of love and peace. The profound sense of interconnectedness and oneness with the universe is another hallmark of both experiences. While these similarities are compelling, it's important to note that they do not definitively prove that DMT is the sole factor responsible for NDEs. However, the striking parallels between the two warrant further investigation into the potential connection between DMT and the mystery